Yo, what's up? It's Carbon Builds back at it again with another BRZ video today, guys. Got a special treat for you guys. Today, I got an install for you guys. As you can see, I'm missing the side fenders. They're not there. They was never there ever since I got the car. So I'm definitely going to take care of these right here, get the lights on. And you know, my turn signals don't really like blink right because of that hyper flash. So hopefully I'm going to be able to fix that issue. If I add those lights, I'm not sure, but let me go grab them and we can get started. All right, guys, I'm back at it. I got the lights, and so let's do a quick open box so you guys can see what I bought. Yep, of course I went and got the smoked. Let me use this one. I went ahead and got the smoked ones, but this is the smoked one that has the side marker and it has the daytime running lamp all in one. So I wanted to go with this option because it just looks a lot better than the regular stock yellow amber version. So I decided to go with this. It goes in like this, and where can I fish the wire? As you can see, the wire for that light is here. This is the daytime running lamp that connects to the bumper, front bumper, and this is the light right here. As you can tell, the amber light is working. So this is the right combination. So it's black with black and white with yellow on the passenger side. Now the white one is the daytime running lamp. I'm gonna have to install this a different type of way. So the DRL is the white bottom one. We'll push the wires down. Just wanted to show you the finished results. As you can see, the installed daytime running lamp, side markers. They work with the headlight. Only the daytime running lamps on the headlights is running right now. As you can see, side markers, daytime running lamp. It's sunny out, so you can't really tell. I only got 1%, so I can't really show you too much of what I did with the wiring. But as you can tell, only the white daytime running lamp is connected to the headlight. And then I went ahead and the yellow and black went to the factory harness for the amber light. So as you can see, red, black connects to yellow and black. On the other side, it's white, black. So driver's side, red, black, passenger side, white, black, and they both go to yellow, black. The white goes to the daytime running lamp. So I really appreciate you guys tuning in to my channel, Carbon Builds. Like, subscribe. I'm gonna have more videos to show you guys. This is just a project, man. As you can see, I got a lot of work to do. I'm gonna drop it off to the paint shop, have you guys take a look at it when it's done, when it finishes getting painted. I'm gonna do it blue, but it's not gonna be this blue. You eventually see how it's gonna look like in the long run. I still have to add the seat belts. I have them in. I'm gonna have a video for that, so stay tuned and follow my channel, Carbon Builds. Peace out.